Activity 2.4 says edit the material assigned to the turbocharger. Let's do it. Okay, so we right-click on the material assignment. The material assignment is way over here, titanium Ti5Al.2.5SN. I'm going to right-click on this. I'm going to edit the material. And this tells me to choose copper-cobalt-beryllium alloy. So I'm in titanium alloys now. I probably need to go to copper alloys to get to my beryllium copper. Okay, let's see what it says. I want to find the right one. Copper-cobalt-beryllium. Here we go. This is the one I want. And I want to apply that. Now it is applied, and we have a different appearance on there. So I'm going to close that. Okay, close it anyway. Okay, and now I've changed my entire turbocharger to beryllium copper, which doesn't make any sense as a turbocharger, but it does help you understand what's going on with changing the material of a part. Okay, now we can practice this again by going back and changing it to changing it back to titanium. Right-click on that, get to edit material. Now I'm going to go from a copper alloy to a titanium alloy. And the alloy that I had was Ti5Al. I think it's this one maybe. 0.5SN. Okay, there we go. Actually, we want this one right here. Apply and close that. And we're back to what we had. That was activity 2.4. Time for us now to go on to activity 2.5.